Hi everyone, Julius here. Do you expand your cells manually as what I'm doing? If your answer is yes, watch this video and subscribe for more tips. Do this instead. I will show you two ways to expand your cells. First thing, Control A to highlight the whole table. Then Alt H O I. Alt H O A. Great. Our cells have been expanded. Method 2. Highlight your whole workbook by clicking on this sign just between the intersection point between your column 1 and row A, the triangle-like icon. Click on it. Click anywhere at the intersection point between your columns. You double-click like that. Once again, do the same for the rows, for the intersection point between any of your rows. Double tap. Great. We are good to go. Thank you for watching and follow for more tips. Bye-bye.